This is by far one of the most popular interview questions asked. Today, I'm talking about the dreaded, "Tell me about yourself" question. My name is Kim Coons, the Talent and Onboarding Director at Cornerstone Home Lending, and I'm so excited to give you 3 easy-to-follow steps so you can answer this question like a pro. The "Tell me about yourself" question will probably be the very first question you'll be asked when you sit down. This question is how the interviewer will get the ball rolling, learn more about your personality, and discover if you're a good cultural fit for the position. So how do you actually answer this without getting too personal or rambly? Number 1, keep it professional. It's really tempting to share your life story, but that's not what the interviewer needs to know. They want to learn more about your professional journey, your accomplishments, and passions as they relate to the position you're applying for. You'll probably have time later in the interview to share more about your hobbies and your personal life. Number 2, stay organized. A lot of people struggle with knowing where to start when you're telling your story, so here's my tip. Always start with the most recent, up-to-date position, training, and accomplishments. From there, move on to how you got where you are now. This could be talking about your past jobs and career development opportunities. Always make sure to hit on education and any special skills you may have. If you're worried that you'll get lost, write down a few bullet points you want to talk about, and that way you stay organized. Number 3, practice, practice, practice. Last but certainly not least, practice answering this question. The best thing you can do if you're nervous is to practice answering this question with a friend or family member. You definitely don't want to come across as scripted or forced in the interview, so doing a trial run beforehand will give you a great opportunity to get the nerves out. There you have it. I hope these tips gave you the tools you need to go into your interview with confidence. I know with a little practice, you can do it. While I have you here, we would love for you to tell us about yourself. We have several positions open in California, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. You can click the link in the caption to apply. We can't wait to meet you. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Do you have another question you want to learn how to answer? Leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.